Just like human pregnancies, dog pregnancies are complicated and sometimes confusing. Here is some information about dog pregnancy that should help you out. For female dogs, sexual maturity is reached between age of 6 to 12 months. This means they can get pregnant at just 6 months of age. Dog pregnancies normally last for 9 weeks, approximately 60 days, although they might give birth sooner or later. If you have carefully planned for the breeding, here are 6 physical signs that indicate your breeding was a success. Number 1. A bigger belly. Pregnant dogs will have a bigger belly as the pregnancy progresses, just like humans. However, a bigger belly could sometimes be a symptom of disease. Number 2. Increase in appetite. Be alert to any changes in your dog's appetite. A dog that is pregnant may eat more than usual. However, a pregnant dog may also have morning sickness that causes it to lose appetite and vomit just like humans. Unlike humans, morning sickness in pregnant dog ends fast. It normally lasts for just a few days. Number 3. Increase in breast and nipple size. The size of the breast of a pregnant dog will increase significantly and its nipples will become swollen. You might even detect some milky fluid as well. Number 4. Body discharge. You will notice a constant mucus discharge from the vulva if your dog is pregnant. Number 5. Increase in weight. As the pregnancy progresses, the pregnant dog's weight will start to increase. She is likely to gain 15% to 25% of weight depending on the number of puppies she is carrying. The more accurate ways to confirm pregnancy in dogs is, number 6, through diagnostic tests. There are 4 types of diagnostics tests to identify your dog pregnancy. Abdominal palpation. Abdominal palpation refers to careful massaging of the dog's tummy to feel for the puppies growing in the uterus. Be mindful that abdominal palpation should not be attempted without assistance of veterinarian or you may hurt the puppies. Abdominal palpation can be performed as early as 3 weeks after mating. Ultrasound scan. Your veterinarian can do an ultrasound scan as early as 3 weeks after mating to determine if your dog is pregnant. An ultrasound can detect fetal heartbeats, thus your veterinarian may estimate the number of puppies your dog is carrying. By using the ultrasound scan, your veterinarian might be able to predict your dog's due date as well. Witness relaxin test. You can have your veterinarian to do an inexpensive witness relaxin test to test the presence of relaxin after 4 weeks of gestation. Relaxin is a type of hormone that is released only during pregnancy. X-rays. X-rays are probably the most effective way to determine if a dog is pregnant. However, you have to wait until week 6 of gestation before you can use this method because the puppy's skeletal system is not obvious until then. X-rays are also the most reliable way to determine how many puppies a dog is carrying. Some people argue that X-rays can harm puppies inside the uterus due to the strong radiation. Some dogs could experience phantasm pregnancy where the dog shows the signs of pregnancy, but she's actually not pregnant. A dog might gain weight, have larger breasts and nipples, display nesting behavior and even produce milk, but she's actually not pregnant. This is a rare phenomenon that happens only in dogs. If your dog is having a phantasm pregnancy, consult your vet for a solution.